See here, sand is 9 meters depth. Sand is 9 meters depth. Or let's say clay of 6 meters. 6 meters. This is 9 meters. This is 6 meters. It is sand and it is clay. Now, water table is 6 meters below the surface of the sand. Initially, water table is 6 meters below the surface of the sand. Initially, then the saturated inverts of sand is 19 and that of clay is 20. Gamma sat equal to 19 kilonewton per meter cube and gamma sat of clay is 20 kilonewton per meter cube. The unit weight of sand above the water table is 16. Above the water table is 16 kilonewton per meter cube. Over a short period of time, the water table is rises by 3 meter. So after a short period, the water table raised up to this level. That means 3 meters. That means from surface it is 3 meters. So from here it is also 3 meters. This is after. It is before. So after some time it is raised up to 3 meters below the ground level. Now determine effective stress at depth 8 meter and 12 meters below the ground level immediately after the rise. A. Immediately after the rise. B. Several years after. See here, first we will see A. Immediately. Immediately. At first we will see at 8 meters. At 8 meters. What is sigma? Total stress. Sigma means 16 into 6 plus 19 into 2. At 8 meters means 16 6 plus 19 into 2. Because purely it is in sand. 16 into 6 plus 19 into 2 equal to 134. 134 kilonewton per meter square. Pore water pressure is 9.8 into 2. 9.8 into 2. 19.6 kilonewton per meter square. Because immediately after rise. Immediately after rise we need to find. Immediately after rise. Immediately after rise means this also total stress also wrong. Immediately after rise 16 into 3 plus 19 into 5, that is equal to 16 into 3 plus 19 into 5, 143 kilonewton per meter square. Pore water pressure is now immediately after rise. If you insert piezometer at sand at a depth of 8 meters, it shows clearly water level up to this surrounding water level of the soil. That means U equal to, see at 2 meters here. This is 2 meters. Total 8 meters. So 9.8 into 8 meters. U per water pressure. 9.8 into 8. That is 78.4 kilonewton per meter square. So effective stress equal to 143 minus 78.4 is equal to immediately after rise 16 into 3 plus 19 into 5 143. Pour-out pressure is 9.8 into 8 78. Immediately after rise of the water table, that is 16 into 3 plus 19 into 5. 16 into 3 plus 19 into 5 equal to 143, and pour water pressure is 5 meters means immediately after rise, so 9 meter thick depth, it's at 8 meters means effective stress 16 into 3 plus 19 into 5 143. So 143 minus 78.4, that is 64.6 kilonewton per meter square immediately after rise at 8 meters. At 12 meters, we'll see. At 12 meters, sigma equal to 16 into 3 plus 16 into 3 plus 19 into 6 plus 20 into 3. See, 12 meters means below the clay surface 3 meters. That equal to 16 into 3 plus 19 into 6 plus 20 into 3, 222 kilonewton per meter square. And pour water pressure here immediately after rise, if you insert piezometer at this one, I mean at 3 meters, that means 12 meters below ground surface, the water table, it shows only up to, I mean 6 meter below ground level only, because in clay immediately cannot, I mean by raising the water table, that effect will not come immediately. So pour out pressure is here, this height is 3 meters and this height is 3 meters. So 3 plus 3 6, 9.8 into 6, that equal to 9.8 into 6 equal to 58.8 kilonewton per meter square. So effective stress, so sorry, this is total stress. This is total stress. Then effective stress equal to 222 minus 58.8, that equal to 222 minus 58.8 equal to 163.2 kilonewton per meter square immediately after rise. But after long time, after long time at 8 meters, of course sigma equal to 143, UV equal to same 78.4 and effective stress equal to same 64.6 kilonewton per meter square. But at 12 meters it is clay. At 12 meters, of course, total stress equal to same 222, but pore water pressure UV equal to 9.8 into, now slowly it reaches up to 3 meter below the ground surface. That means after a long time it will be 9.8 into 9 meters. That is 9.8 into 9, that is 88.2. 88.2. So effective stress equal to 222 minus 88.2, that is equal to 133.8 kilonewton per meter square. That means after a long time the piezometer reading will be here, it will reach up to this point after a long time. Immediately it is up to here in piezometer, up to 3 meter above the clay. After a long time it will go up to 6 meter above the clay or 3 meter below the ground surface. So like that it will be 133.8 kilonewton per meter square.